Just want to give you a quick little tour of our beautiful room at the Hilton La Romana in the Dominican Republic. So it's just about a 45-minute drive from Punta Cana, which is where we flew in. So we have a nice king room with an adjoining room with 2 double beds for our boys. And then here is our pretty balcony. We have a garden view room. The beach is just this direction, and there's a lot of pools. And they were nice enough to give us butler service, so we have our own little phone here where we can call if we need anything, like to get our beach chairs set up, or if we need more water bottles for our mini fridge. And so that's really nice. And then here is the bathroom, very spacious, plenty of room. So we're looking forward to checking this out over this long weekend.